Okay, so I'm here at Everything Electric London 2024. I'm here at the Maxus stand. So I'm here with Tony here at Maxus. I guess start us off with, what are we in?
We're in the new eDeliver 7. This is an 88 kilowatt panel van L1H1 with a 1200 kilogram payload.
Wow, okay, so to kind of start us off, obviously, what does that kind of compete with?
eDeliver 7 is basically compete against a 3.5 ton panel van, low roof with long load lengths in the back.
Excellent. So I'm guessing if I had to like pick some people or pick some manufacturers, I'm guessing would it be Transit Custom or would it be
It's bigger than a Transit Custom because of the payload, longer body lengths, longer internal lengths.
You've now actually got quite a lot of the range now in terms of vehicles. I mean, you've got, for example, the eDeliver 3, smaller van. You've got the ED9, which is like a full-size transit sort of style van. And then you've got now the ED7, which is slightly bigger than a Transit Custom. Overall, I mean, what do you think of it?
I think it's really good. Good returns on mileage. We're getting about 3.3 miles per kilowatt out the vehicle. I achieved that coming back from Liverpool when I picked this up. Driving around, delivering this to the show, we were getting around 3.5.
Wow, okay, so yeah, that's really excellent. So they've definitely done a few tweaks to try and improve some of the efficiency behind it, which is obviously really good. In terms of like basic equipment, what are we looking at?
Aircon, heated seats, heated steering wheel, electric mirrors, heated windscreen, 360-degree camera system.
That's really useful, obviously, because you know it's a panel van, so that means you can't really see obviously out the back of it. So that's always good. In terms of like your customer base, I mean, you don't obviously have to mention specific customers, but as in, what do you reckon this ED7 is going to be like in comparison to, for example, the ED3 and the ED9? I've seen the ED3, for example, used for last mile couriers and things like that. Not to mention any names, but there's definitely a parcel company that uses loads of those.
Yes.
What are you looking at for the ED7 at least?
I think this is more to do that you would traditionally use like a Renault Traffic for Transit Custom. So it'd be your builders, your plumbers, your electricians, engineering companies, anything like that.
And as you say, I mean, you've got the payload as well.
Yes.
Is it something that actually customers were mentioning and therefore, you know, with the ED7, it now meets their needs? Or
it's more, I don't think necessarily they're all worried about payload so much, but when we're putting in the bigger batteries, we need a bigger payload.
Exactly.
To get the range up. So one sort of affects the other, so that's why we have to do it.
Perfect. Right. So I guess the final thing I want to ask is, because it's one of those things that everyone asks, is it available to purchase?
Yes.
And where can they find you?
Any Maxus UK dealer. Excellent. We're based at Heathrow, but any Maxus UK dealer will have these available.
Excellent. So thank you so much, Tony.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Thank you.